Hello friends, welcome to the Hobby Hub, creating imagination into reality. आज हम लाए हैं ट्विस्ट एंड फोल्ड कार्ड ट्यूटोरियल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अब आप एक कलर शीट पेपर लें ऑफ साइज 30 सेंटीमीटर एंड देन फोल्ड इट एज शोन इन द वीडियो. Now fold all the four corners of the sheet. Now fold the sheet to make the crease. Now open the sheet and now refold it as per the crease as shown in the video. Now fold it to make half triangles on all the four sides. Now decorate your card with chart paper, sheets and hearts. And the card is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more creative updates.